Found myself July 2020 sitting at home most of the time, not meeting people. And I knew I wasn't the only one who was suffering from that. So I wanted to create an outlet or a network for people who have similar interests where they can meet, they can collaborate, they can connect. So Arabs in Academia is mainly a network for all Arab academics. Our main bulk of people are professors, whether they're assistant, associate, or full professors. And then we have postdocs, we have some PhD students in their late stages, and we have those who have ventured away from academia and are in industry, or those who are interested still in academia. And our main group of people either were in North America or are in North America, followed by Egypt, Dubai, or UAE, and other countries. We have people in different areas, so it's not only construction or not only engineering. We have people in business, political science, math, physics, astronomy. So it's been really interesting to hear about all of these experiences. And what we do is we have regular networking events. So almost every month we have an event where people meet. And with COVID, it's all been online. We also have regular seminars where some of our members or people from outside the network, they come in, they discuss their topics. We've recently launched a mentorship event as well. So we try to connect mentors with mentees because we have a lot of people who are also early career researchers and people who are postdocs or who are finishing up their PhD. And some of them don't really know what the next step is. They don't know how to land a job or what job would be perfect for them. So we connect them with those who are experienced and we try to help out. We've had our first connect, we're following up on them. They're both in similar areas, so it's easy to see the progress that's made, and it's been very rewarding. I know CIB also has an early career researcher, so I think it'll be interesting to see how both networks can combine. We're on LinkedIn and we're on Facebook. Our main platform is Facebook. It's a closed group for our members, so you have to sign up. There's a form that you have to fill in indicating who you are, where you work, to make sure that you are, an Arab academic or someone who is interested in academia. And then we have another venue, which is LinkedIn. That's mainly for the news. So it's not the network itself, but you'll receive updates. You'll be able to know what we're up to. Sometimes we have events for AIA members as well as non-AIA members. So that'll be open to everyone. So these are our two main outlets, and you'll find this under the same name, Arabs in Academia. I think it's been very interesting to see how different our areas are because, you work mainly in construction. You think that's how the other areas will be. I've met with people who are in engineering, but in other disciplines. There have been discussions on collaborations in research and otherwise between myself and the members and between the members themselves. So I know of several members actually working on research together right now. I have been exposed to also different areas. So I told you that one of the seminars we had was Professor Maggie Saif al-Nasr, and she discussed gamification, and she was talking about her field and how she looks at it as a CS major. And there was a discussion of, well, how can we apply it in different majors? And then I found out that someone had actually applied it in construction. So there was a big discussion how we can try to benefit from this in our areas as well. So we have over 1,000 members. We've done a lot of online meetups, but I would love to take it offline. Hopefully COVID subsides and we'll be able to do that. We have plans for getting funding for the events and funding for research. I would love to see the network grow, not just as a network that connects people and helps them share knowledge, but as a network that can also connect AIA with other networks, for example, like CIB and other networks where there'll be mutual benefit to both. So funding would be something that we're definitely exploring.